Hello, today I'm going to do an oil change on a Mercury 150 4-stroke.
You can just order the oil change kit online for your Mercury 150 4-stroke. Inside you'll get the fuel filter you need, the 6 bottles of oil you need. You'll get a rubber tube that you can put on your drain plug. So we're going to open up the oil drain plug to drain the oil. You're going to get your 5/8 inch deep well socket, put it over the drain plug to loosen it up. We're just going to break it free. Then you're going to get the tubing that they provided. Slide the tubing on. And then you can twist it by hand, just a full turn and a half, until the oil starts coming out. And you can put it into your oil container. Just have it drain out. Saves the mess. So before you start, you'll trim the motor up for 1 minute to let all the oil drain down the oil sump, and you'll level it down, and then you'll put on your, once you break it free, you'll put your hose on, you'll turn it a full turn till it starts to drain oil, then you'll put it in your container. I'm using this hose, it's a little bit longer than the one they sent, just so I don't have to watch it. It goes right into my oil bucket. We're good to go. So I had an oil hose that I'm going to use. It's a little bit longer, fits right into this container. The factory one will work, it's just you have to hold the container closer to this way I can just leave it there and not have to worry about it until it completely drains. Both will work. You can get yourself a longer hose. The one they provide is a little short. Once it's done draining, take off the hose and then tighten it up. Tighten up your drain plug. It's good to go. Now we gotta change the oil filter. See this little yellow plug? You're gonna remove this. Remove this plug. Then we're gonna stick a hose on there. Stick our hose on there. I'm using the same oil filter wrench I used for my F-150. Just loosen it up. Loosen the oil filter. You should see it start to drain out of this tube. It's going to go in the catch pan and then drain out the tube. There we go. A lot cleaner. We'll remove the oil filter. So we're going to clean off the oil filter surface. You'll clean out the pan and you'll replug the hole. Put a rag there, pull this off, and then just put the plug back in. That's the plug for the catch pan. Continue to clean it out. It's completely clean. I really like this idea, what they did. There we go. Some fresh oil. Put some on the gasket. Coat the gasket with oil. I'm going to put the new oil filter on. Once you meet, it'll be 3/4 of a turn to 1 turn. Put a half a turn, 3/4. There's 1 full turn. And snug. That's probably a full turn right there. You add 6 liters of 4-stroke 10W30. Goes right here. Fill it up. Put the cap back on. Check the oil level, even though I haven't started yet. But you can see it's right there. It's almost all the way up on the dipstick, in between the hash marks. So we're good to go. Oil change complete on a 2019 Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower. Thanks for watching.